You have not been making money trading boom and crash or any of the other assets, or probably you have been looking for a way to get my custom made indicators which you have not been able to have access to. Okay, stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you this simple setup that can help you to make consistent profit even from your phone. Okay, it might not be as perfect as that of the custom made indicator, but at least with it you will be able to make something for yourself on daily basis, and you're going to enjoy every bit about it. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform that's I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can make more money with it, and if it is what you truly want to do before you go fully into it. And you need to practice very well on your demo account before you go fully into your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, if you are not having the 3M trend Meoka trading indicator, or probably the smarts indicator, these two indicators are custom made indicators that helps you that help you to analyze the market better, because they will help you to know the trend of the market, the entry point and the exit point. Okay, and this makes it very easy for you to trade. But if you are not having any of these two indicators, you can also use your mobile setup in order for you to trade. Okay, so right here on the charts, I will be using this setup for us to explain to you how you can make some good profit for yourself. It is very easy. Just follow the instructions so that you will know how to go about it. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, first of all, I'm on 5 minute time frame and on boom 1000 charts. Okay, and of course, like I've always been telling you, your trend is always important. Okay, if you are going to trade and you don't understand what trend is all about, then don't go into trade at all. Okay, because this is very important in everything you are doing. Learn how to identify the trend. If you don't know how to identify the trend, don't go into it, because if you are trading a wrong direction, then definitely it's like you swimming against the current, and you know how it feels when you swim against the current. Okay, it means that you will be finding it difficult to make progress. Okay, it is either you are going backward or you are even losing out on it totally. Okay, so that is it. This is very important. So now let's see how to go about it. There are two major setup right here. We have the first one on the main charts, and we have the second one within the window indicator, and I'm going to be using these two to explain to you. The first one on the main chart will help you to know the trend and when you should go into the market, while the window indicator will help you to confirm your trade. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay guys, I don't know, let me show you the setup first so that you will understand what I am using. This is the first setup on the main chart. You can screenshot it and use the parameters on your chart. This is the second one. Screenshot it and use the parameters on your chart. Now let's move on to the window indicator. This is the setup for the window indicator. You can screenshot it and use the parameters on your chart, and of course this is the last one within the window indicator. You can screenshot it and use the parameters on your chart. Okay, now let's move on to what we have right here. So right here, right from here, the let me change the color of my pen. Okay, the market was on uptrend around here, but do you know what, it will get to a level that it won't be able to go further. Okay, and that place is called the resistance zone. How do I know if this has gotten to a major resistance zone and if it's not going to break out from there? You come back to the window indicator. Okay, on the window indicator you should know if it has overbought already. Okay, and once it gets to 70, and above, it means that the market has overbought already. So the market should be preparing to change the direction of the market at that particular point. Okay, so at this point, we expect a CIT to happen around it. That is, there should be a change in trend direction around there. Okay, because this has shown that the market has overbought. But if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will still keep on buying. Okay, even though it has shown that it has overbought, but it happens like that once in a while. Okay, so once we observe this, you will notice that the market will not be having a smooth direction again. It will be giving you something like this, and that is what is happening around there. Okay, so we should now wait for this crossing, that is the two MA, to cross each other, and it should be a downward crossing. Okay, so once that happens, then this should be your entry point. This should be where you should start selling. Okay, it should be well you should start selling. And how do you know if you should enter right here? Make sure you also have a downward crossing around here, and it should be around 70 to 100, that is within here to here. Okay, so once it happens around there, then definitely it is a very good place for you to start selling. Okay, and because this is giving us our entry point signal and it has been confirmed with the window indicator, that does not stop you from using stop loss. Okay, because the resistance zone can still be broken, so you set your stop loss at the tip of the resistance zone. Okay, so let your stop loss be there, let this be your entry point, and you start selling right from there. Okay, like I've always been telling you, your stop loss at the beginning of your trade, when you place your order, it is meant to protect your capital. So you are protecting your capital this way. Okay, and of course, as soon as you start making some good amount of profit, then you should readjust your stop loss to protect some part of your profit. Okay, to keep some part of your profit for your, for you. Okay, so you readjust your stop loss to the middle to keep about 40 to 50% of the profits which you have made. And as your profits keeps increasing, then you keep on readjusting your stop loss and increasing the margin you are keeping for yourself. Okay, you keep on increasing the margin you are keeping for yourself from 40 to 50, from 50 to 60%, till you get to the end of the trend. Okay, how do you know if the trend is coming to an end? Check out your window indicator. Has it gotten to 30? Immediately it gets to 30, then you should know that it has oversold, then the trend is about to come to an end, and that should be somewhere here. Okay, it happens around here. So at this stage, you should either close your trade or you lock up 80% of your profit and expose 20% in order for you to make more profit. And you can see, if you had exposed 20% to make more profit, this had gotten to this support zone, which is around 20, and of course this will have given you more profit at that particular time. So this is very straight, and of course you can easily apply this wherever you are. So you guys can try this out and see how profitable this is. So you can be making between $100 to $1,000 on daily basis, depending on your capital base. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so it now depends on your capital and how you have been able to perfect this skill. So you can try the setup on your demo account, try it out for like a day or two and see how it works, how profitable it is, before you start using it on your real account. Remember, I said you should practice on your demo account first. Most of you are always eager to make money. Okay, you get a new strategy, you start putting money into it in order for you to make more money. You need to learn first. Okay, make sure you put into practice. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you are yet to follow me, kindly click the follow button so that you can follow me if you want to know more about my custom made indicator, or how you can trade effectively then definitely you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, or you check out my details on the YouTube channel. Okay, or you can also drop a comment within the comment section, and I will be there to reply you. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.